In this video, we will use this actual video to explain how we made it. So let's just play it from the beginning. Alright, so this is a shot of my desk. And then I went into Capcut and I hit the plus create new project. And I dragged this clip onto the timeline. So I wanted to make a tutorial video. And this is exactly how Capcut responded to that prompt. After it generates all of those different shots, I actually get to choose which ones I want to keep. So here, I just selected a few of them. It generated a whole bunch of different shots of me talking to the camera and interacting with the software. And then I went over to the new AI video tab right here. And one of the prompts I used was, I want to make a video using your technology to help other people use this software. So now let me fast forward this and show you what happened next. Sometimes it takes me 10 minutes to edit a 10-second clip. That's an hour-long video just generating all of the different shots. But with this, I'm able to generate all of those shots in literally 10 seconds. It's kind of pixelated and blurry. So one of the drawbacks of this AI video feature is that the quality isn't the best. But I think that's something that will improve over time. It shows this little overview of all the different ways that you can use this AI video feature. And then when I go over to the timeline, they're actually already put in a sequence. So if you want to do a full 5-minute video, it's gonna take a while to generate all of those different shots. So here's an example of that. But honestly, I think this is still a huge time saver because traditionally it would take me hours upon hours to create a video like this. But with this, I can do it in just a few minutes. So all I have to do now is adjust the length of each of these clips, maybe add some transitions between them. So here it is. This is the output. This is what I got after I ran that prompt. If you don't like the fact that it took you 10 minutes to generate 10 seconds of video, you can actually adjust the speed at which it generates. You can do 2x, 3x, 4x, or even 10x speed. You probably already noticed that the quality of the video is not very good. Another drawback is that if you want to generate longer videos, it can take a while. One of my favorite ones is the ability to generate a whole bunch of different thumbnail ideas. And then I say create avatar. It's gonna ask me what kind of avatar I want. So here I'll just say, I want an avatar of a businessman. And here's what it generated for me. It generated this little cartoonish version of myself. So if I type in, I want 10 different thumbnail ideas for a video about AI video. Here are 10 different thumbnails that it generated for me. And then I also went back to the AI video tab and I said, I want a 5-minute video that can help users become more comfortable with this. Here it shows this little mini movie of how this AI came to life. And then it says here this AI was created to democratize video editing. The AI takes your text prompts and transforms them into reality. It can help you bring your ideas to life faster than ever before. So here's another thing that Capcut does. And one more thing I want to point out is that if you don't like any of the default settings, you can come over here to settings and change things yourself. For example, frame rate, resolution, aspect ratio. Okay, so going back to the main screen here, I just want to show you what the generated footage actually looks like. I want a little backstory on how this technology was created and how it can help mankind. The reason why I love this feature so much is because of how much time it saves me. Here's another example. I just typed in, show me the different ways I can use Capcut AI video. And here's what it spit out. So there's actually a lot of different ways that you can use this software. There's also the ability to generate avatars. So if I go over here to avatar, and one more thing I want to show you is that you can actually upload your own photo, and then it will create an avatar based off of that image. Those were the 5 things I wanted to show you.